DeKalb County Property Tax Reduction, Homestead Exemptions. One of the best ways to enjoy a DeKalb County property tax reduction is through homestead exemptions, which come in two forms, namely, basic and special exemptions. Keep in mind that property owners, taxpayers must comply with the strict eligibility requirements set forth by the state of Georgia and DeKalb County to receive these homestead exemptions. Definition of the exemptions: homestead exemptions are tax exemptions deducted from the assessed values of the real property, thus, reducing the total property tax payable. These are governed under state law, specifically Title V, Chapter 5 of the Georgia Code, which any homeowner or tax consultant who wants to achieve a DeKalb County property tax reduction should read first. Under the Georgia Code, you will be entitled to an applicable homestead exemption for the current taxable year with two general conditions, namely, first, you are the legal owner of the real property including the residential and outlying structures on it, and second, you consider it to be your primary legal residence as of January 1st of the current year. As such, any real property that serves as your vacation home, or halfway house, or for rent accommodations will not be eligible for any homestead exemption. Application for exemptions: counties in Georgia usually do not grant homestead exemptions in an automatic manner. If you want to receive these tax exemptions, you must file an application with the appropriate government agency, such as the Tax Assessor's office. Your closing attorney and mortgage company cannot file for the exemption on your behalf. You can apply for homestead exemptions as part of your DeKalb County property tax reduction plans in two ways. First, you can obtain a copy of the homestead application form from the tax commissioner's office. You should then return it by mail to the office, but be sure that it is postmarked on or before April 1st of the current year. Second, you can apply online. You must check that all entries in either of these forms are accurate, since errors can delay the application and approval process. Your DeKalb County property tax reduction plans could be derailed with the disapproval of your application for homestead exemption. Once you have filed your application, you will not be required to file a subsequent application. You will only be required to do so when changes regarding the status of the property are made, such as when you sell the property or you cease to consider it as your primary residence. Your choices in homestead exemptions as part of your DeKalb County property tax reduction plans are plentiful. You can ask your tax assessor or tax commissioner about the basic homestead exemption and the special homestead exemptions for senior citizens, disabled veterans or their widows, widowers, and unremarried spouses of firefighters and peace officers killed in the line of duty.